Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account. Visit the Coinbase website or app and sign up using your email address and a strong password. After that, complete the identity verification process by providing the necessary personal information. Finally, link a payment method, such as your bank account or a debit card, to your new Coinbase account. Once your account is set up, it's time to add funds. Navigate to the buy/sell or trade section on the Coinbase platform. Choose your preferred fiat currency, like US dollars, for your deposit. Then, enter the specific amount you wish to deposit into your account. This step ensures you have the necessary funds available to purchase XRP. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy XRP. Use the search bar to find XRP within the Coinbase asset list. Once selected, specify the exact amount of XRP you want to purchase, or the fiat currency equivalent. Carefully review all your order details, including the price and fees, before confirming your transaction. After confirming your purchase, you'll receive an immediate confirmation of your successful XRP acquisition. Your newly acquired XRP will then appear in your Coinbase portfolio, ready for you to manage. For enhanced security, you might consider transferring your XRP to a personal hardware or software wallet for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.